Right, finally. No more snow, except for maybe Monday. But spring is finally here. Time to go ride some motorcycles. Morning! Beautiful Pirelli's on. Just instantly hook up, man. Just get on the road, the cold, the wet, to go into the grass, and they just instantly hook up. Raw 3s are the shiznit. I'm boring commute to work, but I'm gonna find something else fun to do this evening. I think it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. I might not take home what I want. I gotta go to the state this weekend to visit some family. So I'll be up in Michigan, up near one of my Triumph homies I always run into on the immersion events. But I want to take a G310 GS and play with that bad boy. I've done hundreds of miles on the old G310R. I like that a lot, but I don't know what it is about that G310 GS. We're gonna have Rally Raid coming, taking ownership of one, dressing it out and pimping it out. So we're gonna have a big event with her coming, and Jennifer Morgan. Do a little speech, a lecture over all the good stuff that you can get into. She's gonna be finishing up the last piece of the TAT they just added that she hasn't done yet. Pimp out her motorcycle, hand guards, luggage racks, tall screens, bash plates, engine protection, exhaust, and my favorite, tubeless crosspoke rims. That's the big upgrade to me. Plus, suspension. Even though that little machine is already high weight capacity, almost 400 pounds, you can slap on that little beast. Haven't played with the street triple in a while. So it's good to get out and play with that. Been riding a Supermoto on a few beautiful days that I get because it's wet, nasty, sloppy road. It's just a little bit more appropriate riding condition for slipping around. We're gonna get a lot of vlogging going on this year. That's my big goal, is increase social media. Got some trips coming up. We're going to be going to MotoGP, and then we're going to, it's in Austin, then we're going down to Houston, meet up with some buddies that are going to be taking a trip up to the Arctic Circle in 2019. That'll be an awesome little documentary we're going to get started and build throughout the year, and then the climax comes when we get to ride all the way up to the Arctic Circle. I think I got the longest trek. I got to ride all the way from Virginia to Houston, where their starting point is. Lots of miles. But I was just talking to our BMW rep about it, what they might be able to do for me. Talked to Triumph too, see who's going to hook me up and get me set up the best for that ride. GSA makes more sense because of the fuel capacity, but we'll see. I got lots of time to plan it out. Everybody else is going to be on GSAs. I'd like to take the new Tiger. That thing is disgusting. Super right up my alley. But we can't not talk about our Triumphs. I'm gonna get out and do some more aggressive riding on a 765. As soon as my Sunday rides come back around. Uh-oh, I see one of our employees. Can't let her beat me to work. We're gonna get her. be first, baby. Like Ricky Bubba says, if you're not first, you're last. Some of these people commute, man. They're not on a motorcycle. They just commute. So look at this shit. You know? Let's just go the same speed as somebody else while we're talking on our phone on the way to work instead of paying attention to being in the passing lane. Look at them. Well, now you wake up. Look at that shit. It's ridiculous. No respect. If you had a motorcycle, not only would you enjoy your ride to work, you have to pay attention. You won't be droning along. Don't know what I'm doing. I'll just pace the car next to me. I see my beautiful day today up in the 70-degree temperature range. Yesterday was in the 70s. Got a couple machines delivered. Gordon Jones got his Rally R1200 GS in that beautiful Lupin blue. Got Cody out there ripping on the Street Triple RX Special Edition now after he picked that up on Tuesday. He didn't care about the weather. It was wet, nasty. I'm coming to get my bike. That's the kind of motivation we need. Added it to his Tiger 1215 Explorer model he already had. I'm going to take him to the track. Supposed to have our first PRE performance riding experience track day this weekend, but I'm not going to be able to make it. Frontline's still going to be going. Jeff Cook's rocking it up as track daddy. We're going to have Martin potentially riding. Ben's going with Ron Thompson. I've got Spencer Colbert, gave him a track day, and he's going to try his first track day when he bought his 765 Street Triple R. We're going to have Dave can't make it. Jesse Dawson's going to be there. Who else is coming? Oh, the whole new crew. You know, Hunter and Jacob and them are going to be squeezing down there and squirting around the track with PRE. Started right with them, did their first track days last year. Had a freaking ball, man. They got addicted to free because of their awesome instruction. Real safe atmosphere, super fun atmosphere. And they raise money for the Air Friends Fund, the only organization to do that. Everybody else just uses up their efforts. I hate to put it that way because it's there for everybody, but they actually make the donations. We donated to Airfest for the Air Fence Fund last year, which I thought was super cool. I mean, what are you doing? Smoking a cigarette. Taking your sweet time, going under the speed limit. People. Out of the passing lane. That's what I love about Europe. They respect that. Right lane is used. Left lane is an emergency pass, basically. Get over and get right back over to the right lane. Wish I had a more beautiful commute. I can make it a better commute. Today, I just wanted to get to work before anybody else. And I woke up late. I wanted to sleep. I was having good motorcycle dreams. I was actually dreaming about riding this here Street Triple. So on all my vlogs this year, I got a new Arai 10. Got to start rocking that out. I haven't even wore it but once or twice. Got to put a communication device in it. I just really didn't want to even do that because it's my track helmet, but I need to wear it. Freaking $1,000, you know. And then this is the Scorpion AT 950, super popular. drop-down visor, modular helmet, adventure style. So you can pop your screen up like that. For you that know, I have my little handlebar mustache. It doesn't interfere with that. It's mustache friendly for you that rock out a nice beard or mustache. Then I've got a Cena 10C. So we do all the voiceover and recording with, as you can see right now. Then we've got this year new additions: the drone Mavic Pro, GoPro Black 5, and I can't remember what kind of camcorder I'm using for some of the recordings, but hook that up with a lav mic and do some more of my delivery videos, which really got most of the YouTube channel started for me, doing deliveries and walk-arounds on cratings, trying to be Mr. Delivery Man, educate the world, let everybody know what their motorcycles are capable of. My baby sits right up front. It's the Nate Dogg spot. And that's what we got. Oh, dirty. I gotta clean you up, little girl. That's what we got to ride today. We got the Aero full system on it, the 2-in-1. We've got our fender eliminator, seat cowl, belly pan, fly screen, anodized mirrors, anodized levers, anodized master cylinders. Stock engine, besides the electrical addition of a quick shifter, and the remapping to go with the full system, and K&N or BMC air filter, which is my favorite. She's just a little dirty. So let's get up here in the wonderful world of Triumph, BMW, and Ducati at Frontline Eurosports. Thanks for watching. Oh, there's Shot Dog Callie. No, we're going to see Callie first. Everybody loves Callie. I haven't seen Callie in days. What are you doing, girlfriend? Hey, baby. Are you happy to see me? You haven't seen me in days. Oh, you're happy, aren't you? Yeah. You want a treat? You ready for a treat? Yeah. I'll get you one. Oh, she's happy. She can't have one? Half of one? You get half a treat, doctor's orders. That's a big half. Alright, ladies, checking out. We got work to do. Turn on a computer. See you guys on the internet.